It looks like we're running out of materials. I don't see enough components on the shelf.
Really? Have you checked carefully? Which component is missing?
Yes, I just checked. The 10 UF capacitors are almost gone. We need them for assembling the circuit boards, but there are only a few left.
Alright, let me check the inventory first. Next time, if you notice that materials are running low, make sure to report it earlier.
Got it. I didn't know the reporting procedure before. What should we do now?
First, fill out the material shortage report form. Remember to include the material type, the remaining quantity, and the required quantity.
Done. Who should we send this report to?
Send it to the warehouse department first. If they have stock availability, they'll issue it immediately. If not, they'll escalate it to the procurement department.
What if the warehouse doesn't have any extra stock?
In that case, the procurement department will place an urgent order with our suppliers. If necessary, they might even look for an alternative supplier to prevent production delays.
That sounds important. Does the production manager need to be informed about this?
Yes, if the shortage affects the production schedule, we need to inform the production manager so they can adjust the workflow accordingly.
Understood. We should report it now to avoid disruptions in production.
Exactly. Let's go, I'll show you how to submit the report and follow up with the warehouse.